Hi everyone, my name is Bindu and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about custom tooltip in Power BI. Custom tooltip is just a tooltip, but here it helps you enhance your report. Using custom tooltip, you will be able to show a report as a tooltip to a visual. Without any delay, let's take a look at the demo and understand it much better. If you look at my screen here, I created a sample report. I have a visual which gives me some information about the sales for each region, West, East, Central and South. When I look at the visual based on the data labels, I know that West data for West region, the sale amount is 0.73. For East it is 0.68 million. So by looking at the data, I know how much sale each region has, but I want to know much more information about each region. I want to know the details at the city level for each region. So for this, I can create a tooltip and show that data analysis as my tooltip. So when I hover over West region, I see region, state, city and sales as my tooltip. So when I hover over East region, I see region, state, city and sale for East region. So that is what I want to say. I want to create a report as a tooltip. Now let's create this report from scratch. Now I opened a blank Power BI file and I also loaded orders dataset into this file. So if you look at my screen here on the right side, I have orders. So from here I am pulling in sales and region, because I want to see the sales by region, right? So I'm pulling that. So here I have the basic sale by region chart here, and I'm also turning on the data labels for them. I'm turning on the data labels. So here now I have West, East, Central and South regions, and when I hover over it, I have the data as my tooltip. But now I want to see the report as a tooltip. So what do you do then? The first step is you create the report. Okay, you create another page here which will act as a tooltip. And before creating anything, you need to change few things here. You click on the report anywhere and you go to this format section, and here you see page information. You select on that and you turn on this tooltip. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. And then page size. You change this page size to tooltip. That's the second thing you do. And the next one is the page alignment. Page alignment, you make it as middle. So these are the changes you need to make before creating this report. So now I'm pulling in a table here. Okay, so into this table I want region, state, city and sale information. Okay, so this is what I want. Let's make it small so that it fits in the screen. Okay, now it fits in the screen, right? And then you have to go back to the main report and you click on this chart. In this chart, you go to format section, and in the format section you see the tooltip option. Here you have to select the page name here. It's just named as page 2, right? So you just select this and that's all. You're all set. So if you hover over West region, you'll be able to see the details for this West region. If you hover over East region, you see all the details for East. For Central, you see all Central region details. For South, you see all South region details. So this is how you create a report as a tooltip. So this is about the custom tooltip in Power BI. I hope you learned something new today in Power BI. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And I'm also attaching the sample file in the description box. You can download that and play with the data. See you in the next video. Thank you.